Hi, good morning. In this video, I am going to explain you about hypothalamus. See, in entire endocrinology, we have hypothalamus, parathyroid gland, and mechanism of hormonal action and disorders, and we have testis and ovary. We'll discuss these topics later. This hypothalamus. Getting me right? Now in this video we are going to discuss hypothalamus, and this video is very helpful to the people who are preparing for NEET, and the people who are preparing for EAPCET, and the people who are preparing for DSC exam. This is very useful to them. Okay, see first where the hypothalamus is located. First, what is hypothalamus? Hypothalamus is a neuroendocrine gland. It is a neuroendocrine gland because it has neuronal function, and also it produces some hormones, so that it is considered as neuroendocrine gland. Now again the hypothalamus also considered as master control center of endocrine secretions. It is also known as master control center of endocrine secretion, and also it is considered as supreme commander of the endocrine system. Okay, getting me? See, because of it regulates the synthesis and secretion of pituitary hormone, so that it is considered as master control center, and it is also considered as supreme commander of the endocrine system. Getting me? Right. Now where it is located? See, the hypothalamus is located see, base of the the diencephalon, base of the diencephalon, or it is located below the thalamus. See, if you take the forebrain is divided into cerebrum and diencephalon. Okay, see, the cerebrum is the largest portion in the brain, and the encephalon is again divided into epithalamus, thalamus, and hypothalamus. Getting me? See, hypothalamus is the base of the base of the forebrain, or it is a base of the diencephalon, means it is located below the thalamus, or it is the basal part of the diencephalon. Getting me? Right. Now it is considered as a neuroendocrine part. I have given explanation why it is considered as a neuroendocrine part. Right. Next, see, the neurosecretory cells, NSC cells, which are located in the hypothalamus, the neurosecretory cells which produces the neurohormones, okay, which are located in the in the hypothalamus, okay, they releases the neurohormones in the pituitary gland. Getting me? See, through their axon, through their axon endings or the nerve endings, they releases the these neurohormones into the anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. Okay, see, the hypothalamus is connected to the pituitary, okay, with the help of a stalk like structure, or see, the the extension of the hypothalamus is called as infundibulum. The hypothalamus is connected to the pituitary with the help of infundibulum. Getting me? See, what I explained to you. See, the neurosecretory cells which are present in the hypothalamus, they produces the neurohormones. Getting me? And these neurohormones are released into anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. See, through their nerve endings. Okay, see, these hormones are released into anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. Listen here, there is a portal circulatory system, or the portal circulation, which is present in between the anterior pituitary and hypothalamus. See, the hypophyseal portal system is present in between the hypothalamus and anterior pituitary. Generally, we have three types of portal systems. See, first, the hepatic portal system. The hepatic portal system is present in between the liver and intestine. Okay, see, the human has hepatic portal system which is present in between the liver and intestine. That is hepatic portal system. The second one is hypophyseal portal system. Generally, the pituitary gland is considered as a hypophysis, okay, and a portal system or a portal circulation which is present between the hypothalamus and anterior pituitary, that is known as hypophyseal portal system or hypophyseal portal vein which is present between anterior pituitary and hypothalamus. Getting me? Right. Next portal system is renal portal system. Okay, see the well developed renal artery and renal vein is present in the human being, so that no need of renal portal system in the human being, and the renal portal system is present in amphibians and the frog. Getting me? Right. This is about what it is, the portal circulation. Right. Next, see the hypophyseal tract is present between posterior pituitary and hypothalamus. See, hypophyseal tract is present in between the posterior pituitary and hypothalamus. Hypothalamus and posterior pituitary. Getting me? Means, see the hypothalamus consisting the NSC cells. The NSC cells are present in the hypothalamus. They produces the neurohormones. These neurohormones are released into the posterior pituitary. These are oxytocin and vasopressin. Okay, see they are temporarily stored in the posterior pituitary. Okay, and hypothalamus directly under regulation of, see the posterior pituitary directly under regulation of the hypothalamus. Posterior pituitary directly under regulation of the the hypothalamus. Getting me? Right. Because of this the hormones, the neurohormones which are not synthesized by the posterior pituitary, they are directly synthesized by the hypothalamus. They are temporarily stored in the posterior pituitary. Getting me? These are ADH, antidiuretic hormone, that is vasopressin, and one more hormone is oxytocin. Getting me? Right. Next, we'll discuss especially the hypothalamus produces the two types of hormones, and these two types of hormones are releasing hormones and inhibiting hormones. The two types of hormones which are produced by the hypothalamus, these are releasing hormones and inhibitory hormones. Getting me? See the releasing hormones which will stimulate the anterior pituitary and release the some hormones. Okay, see first of all, growth hormone releasing hormone is known as somatocrinin. The growth hormone releasing hormone is known as somatocrinin. Okay, see this somatocrinin will stimulate the anterior pituitary and release the the growth hormone. The growth hormone is known as somatotropin. Okay, the somatotropin. Well, whenever this growth hormone levels will increases, and this growth hormone levels will suppressed by the growth hormone inhibiting hormone, that is known as somatostatin. Getting me? See the hypothalamus produces the two types of hormones. These are releasing hormones and inhibiting hormones. Releasing hormones, see, which will stimulate the anterior pituitary and release some hormones. Okay, like growth hormone releasing hormone which is produced by the hypothalamus, which stimulates the anterior pituitary and release the growth hormone, that is somatotropin. Okay, then the somatotropin will suppressed by or inhibited by the somatostatin, growth hormone inhibiting hormone. Getting me? Right. Next, gonadotropin releasing hormone. Gonadotropin releasing hormone. This gonadotropin releasing hormone, okay, which will synthesized by the hypothalamus, which stimulates the anterior pituitary and release the gonadotropins, and these gonadotropins are FSH and LH, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Getting me? Right. These are about releasing hormones and inhibiting hormones. Both are produced by the hypothalamus. Right. Next, will in the starting I said about hypothalamus is a neuroendocrine portion. See, this is about hormonal function. Next, we're going to discuss about the neuro portion. See, the neuro portion of the hypothalamus, okay, has many centers. Okay, see, it regulates the osmoregulation, okay, temperature. Okay, see the body temperature, and also it has thrusty center, Hungry center means desire of what it is eating, desire of drinking. Okay, see, these all also centers present in the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus maintain or regulates the osmoregulation, body temperature, and thirsty, hungry, and satiety center are located in the hypothalamus. This is about a neurokind portion. Getting me right? See, the fast revision about hypothalamus, within 30 seconds. The hypothalamus is called as master control center, or supreme commander of the pituitary endocrine system. Okay, the hypothalamus is located below the thalamus, and the hypothalamus also located what it is the basal part. It is also considered as it is the basal part of the diencephalon. Okay, see, diencephalon is a part of the forebrain. Okay, it has three portions: epithalamus, thalamus, and the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is the important portion in the brain. Okay, because it has neuroendocrine portions, right? Next, the hypothalamus has NSC cells, neurosecretory cells. Okay, group of neurosecretory cells considered as nuclei. These neurosecretory cells will produce the neurohormones, and these neurohormones will releases into the pituitary through the nerve endings. Okay, through axon endings of the neurons into the pituitary gland, and there is a passage, or there is a portal circulation in between anterior pituitary and the hypothalamus, that is known as hypophyseal portal circulation. Okay, see, the portal systems are two types in our body. That is hepatic portal system, which is present in between the intestine and what it is liver, and it is the previous NEET question. And renal portal system was absent in the human being, and it is present in the amphibians. And hypophyseal portal circulation, or hypophyseal portal system, present in between the anterior pituitary and the hypothalamus, and the posterior pituitary directly under regulation of the what it is the hypothalamus. Okay, right. Next, see, the posterior pituitary temporarily stores the two hormones. They are oxytocin and vasopressin. They are directly synthesized by the hypothalamus. They enter into the posterior pituitary through a passage, and that passage is known as hypothalamo-hypophyseal tract. Getting me right? Next, hypothalamus mainly produces the two types of hormones: releasing hormones and inhibiting hormones. Releasing hormones are growth hormone, releasing hormone, okay, which is produced by the hypothalamus, which will stimulate the anterior pituitary and release the growth hormone somatotropin, and this somatotropin levels whenever increases, and it is suppressed by the growth hormone inhibiting hormone, that is known as somatostatin, and gonadotropin releasing hormone, which is produced by the hypothalamus, which will stimulate the anterior pituitary and release the gonadotropins. They are follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. See, this is about the hypothalamus, and neuro portion also play a vital role in the body. The neural portion of the hypothalamus has many centers, like it regulates the body temperature, osmoregulation, and it has a hungry center. Okay, see, the desire of eating, and also it has what it is thirsty center, and also it has a satiety center. Okay, see, these all centers also located in the hypothalamus. Okay, so that the hypothalamus especially considered as a master control center of the endocrine secretions, because of it regulates the synthesis and secretion of the pituitary hormones. Okay, thank you.